Hi, I'm Sivaramakrishnan. Come on, let's draw.
So to draw a fist, we first need to draw two slanting lines and they must be parallel. Yes. And draw a bottom line. Draw another line parallel to that. Draw another line parallel to that. And connect these two lines. Okay. Now divide this area into 4. So 2, 3, now 4. Yes. And here you are going to maybe, yes, here. Draw a line here. Yes. That's it. What we are going to do is we are going to refine all these edges. So after all these things, draw a line here, another one here, another one parallel to this one, but a little smaller, then come back down, then go back and add a curve here. Yes, that's it, it's over. Now this is for the little finger. Add a curve here, come back down, curve here. Now again add a curve here, come back down, curve down, but this one you need to add it over here. Okay. Now add a curve here and join these two things, and finally here. So it's all about curves, okay? Like this. This one, we just join it here, and add a line here for the fingernail. Maybe you can even reduce this curve a little bit. So lines. Now you can see the fist turning up. Isn't it right? That's it. Yes, that's it for the fist.
That's it, guys. Hope it was easy and you liked it. Try this out and don't forget to share your artworks with me. You can use my WhatsApp business number and I would love to see your drawings. And wait, there's a bonus. I will share my Facebook group's invite link. In that group, I'm discussing the tips and tricks on how to draw and also answering your questions. If you're very much interested in arts, you can accept the invite. And finally, if you want to check my artworks, search for Entice Art Studio in YouTube, Facebook and Instagram. Take care. Happy drawing. Bye.